Yeah, hello viewers. Well, welcome to my take right. Welcome. Glad to have you back here once again. You're welcome. Welcome. Thank you, our biggest viewer. Thank you so much. Thank you for your comment, your message. I'm so grateful.
Audio Jungle.
So viewers, you're welcome to my tech guide channel. So today we're going to be looking at some websites to get used car from abroad. Some website that we can actually help us, for many of us that is looking for a place to get used car. So we're going to be showing us some websites that we're going to be looking at. We're going to be looking at some website we can actually take advantage of. So we have the names of the websites here. You can see it here. We have mcgtoyota.com, Toyota fortworth.com, 2cars, and many more that we can actually take advantage of. So before we go right into today's video tutorial, so please don't forget, kindly share this video with friends and family. And if you have any information that we like us to know, you can actually reach us through means. You can send us a comment, a message on our comments box below, or you can just send us a WhatsApp message, and you can send us an email. Send us an email to us at techworlddirect@gmail.com, or you can just send us a WhatsApp message at +234 83 813 7460 895. So we'll be glad to respond to it. So just drop a message below, and I'm going to respond to it. So now let's go down to today's tutorial. Let's go down to today's tutorial. So let's go down.
Audio Jungle.
Please don't forget to share, subscribe. It's easy to share. So let's go down to today's tutorial. Yeah, I have played music. So I have
Audio Jungle.
So now the first one on our list here, you can see is a Toyota fortworth.com. So you can see a lot of used cars that have been used before. You can see here, and if you are not suitable with any one of it, you can just come here and change the year, or you can just select the particular year you want, or you can just say, okay, I want a new one, I want Ford, or I want LX. So it's going to automatically bring another one for you. So it's going to tell you the mileage, the transmission, whether it's manual or whether it's automatic, the engine, the VIN number, and a lot of other information that is there. So you can actually take advantage of this website. Just go to www.toyotafortworth.com. So that's the one we have. So the next one that we're going to be looking at, TrueCar.com. At TrueCar.com, you have a lot of cars being categorized on their year, their mileage, their model, and the brands. So depending on the one you actually want to go for, so whether the year of 2000, your budget price, whatsoever that is your budget price, just type in it in here, and you can just actually bring it out for you. So, and even if it's not available, it's going to tell you, sorry, it's not available. So another place you can go to take advantage of this, and you can go to eBay.com. eBay.com will also help you in searching for any car that is available. So go to eBay.com. You can see it here, eBay.com. Just search, or you can go to the categories here. Categories, vehicle here. Well, you can just search it here. Used cars. So you can actually just search. You can see it here, used cars, different model. You can just go to eBay and just look up various car that is available that you can actually take advantage of. A lot of them. So that is one for that. So the next one we're going to be looking at is Toyota.com. So don't forget, if you have any question at all, just drop us any message below and we're going to respond to it. So you can go to this website and check their inventories, look at one that suits for your taste, your model, your preferences, and select anyone that you like. Just select anyone that you like, and then you are good to go. You are good to go. You are good to go. So the next one we're going to be looking at. So we're going to be looking at. This also site here. This ToyotaMacheteH.com. So you can see it here. This is the website. Just go through it, and if you have any information, you can just send them an email, and they will be glad to reply. You can see it here. Just send them an email, and they have a live chat section here, so you can just inquire more if you have any information and any way you actually want the car to be transported to. So that's just the whole breakdown of all necessary information that is being needed in here. So, and if you're looking for a place to get cars accessories, you can just come to carparts.com. Carparts is a good place that can actually take advantage of for any form of car parts you are looking for. Any form of car parts accessories, it's all there. That inventory is all there. So all you just have to do is just check it up, and you are good to go. For all forms of car parts, car accessories, the bumper, the seats, the spinner, just name it, mention it, pedal accessories, interiors. Just come to carparts.com. They are the best place for you to actually look for your accessories anyway. So if you have any information, please don't forget to share this video with friends and family, with colleagues, with everyone in contact. And if you have any comments, just send us a WhatsApp or an email. We're going to reply to you as soon as possible. So we'll be glad. So if you find this video very interesting, kindly subscribe, share, and please don't forget to like this video and share this video. God bless you.